ChatGPT millionaires exist. Here's why you're not one yet. The main reason why you aren't making any money with ChatGPT yet is because you haven't picked the right vehicle. In this video, I'm going to be going over the 4 biggest opportunities to be making money with ChatGPT in 2025. So the first opportunity is faceless YouTube channels. And the way this works is you build a YouTube channel on a particular topic or niche area. And what will happen is once you have a number of videos, YouTube will then monetize your channel. You will start to generate passive income every month from the amount of viewers and people that are watching your videos. This has huge potential because, as you know, YouTube is one of the biggest, fastest growing platforms, websites in the world at the moment. With ChatGPT, all you need to be doing is creating the scripts, the captions, the titles, the YouTube SEO, which can all be done very easy. Then you use other AI tools to create the actual videos. You can use 11 Labs for voiceovers. And even better is once you've built yourself as an authority in your chosen area, what will happen is other advertisers will want to place their product or services in your channel. So they'll say, hey, can you do a review of our product, or can you talk about our product, and we will give you, affiliate link, or we'll pay you X amount for this video. So it holds a lot of opportunity. The main mistake and the biggest challenge is you really want to pick a niche that advertisers want to go after. The big ones to stick to are in the areas of health, anything to do with losing weight or improving your health, wealth, how to make more money, how to grow their opportunities. And the last one is relationships, anything to do with people getting over, divorces, breakups, or even finding their soulmates, loved ones, this type of stuff. The second opportunity is affiliate marketing. Now, the way affiliate marketing works is you make money for promoting other people's products. Now, the way it works and the way that you can use ChatGPT to do this is the same with actually the faceless YouTube channels. The main difference is that instead of focusing on YouTube, you're actually focusing on Google, or what's known as search. The way it works is, again, you want to pick a topic in an area such as, let's say, weight loss. You don't want to be broad, like just weight loss. You want to be doing things that are like trending, things like a keto diet or a Mediterranean diet, if you pick weight loss, for example, and have your website completely dedicated to that topic. Then all you want to do is build a website very easily. You can do that with AI websites within minutes. Then the second part is you want to be creating blog posts with ChatGPT on all the different things to do with keto. You can do biggest mistakes to do with keto in 2025. So many different ideas that you can ask ChatGPT to help you create. Then what will happen is after some time, your website will start to rank more and more and more because you're creating more and more content. Google is loving that. And you'll start getting a lot of traffic, a lot of hits to your website. And what you can do is you can look for products that are related to your interest or area that you've chosen. So for example, keto, and you then want to sell other keto products. That could be a keto app. You could sell keto supplements, keto PDFs, ebooks, so much opportunity. They all have affiliate links as well because it's a big part of their business. So it's very easy to do. And yeah, it's just a huge opportunity with AI and ChatGPT right now. The third opportunity is selling digital products. So in order to make money with digital products, all you need to be doing is using ChatGPT or any other AI tools to be creating these products. So anything like an ebook, PDF, mini courses, templates, checklists, all that type of stuff. You then use one of the marketplaces. So you've got millions out there, Etsy, Gumroad, just to name a few. And once you have that, you put it up there, you upload it, you use ChatGPT to make sure it's all listed correctly. What will happen is there's millions of people who are visiting these websites every month, and you'll start making passive income the more people that see and visit and purchase your products from those platforms. Number 4 is AI consulting. So this one is probably the most advanced one where you will need, the most experience when it comes to ChatGPT services. But the way it works is, as you know, businesses out there, they're always looking to grow and improve efficiency. And they're usually very slow to adapt to new technologies. So right now, there's a huge demand for, AI professionals that can come in to their business, look at where things are slow, look at what things can be automated, look at what things can be improved. So that can be anything from content, that can be anything from customer service, creatives. There's a whole area of the business that you can come in as the expert and provide these services for thousands of pounds. Businesses are already paying hundreds of thousands of dollars and pounds and euros for these services because they see it right now as one of the biggest opportunities. The main thing is for this skill is you need to have some sort of selling ability, and the other part is you do want to be knowing what you're talking about when it comes to how they can actually use ChatGPT to improve their business.